Lemon Giggles.
Guess what I found? I found Care Bears on clearance. I love Care Bears. So these are some Care Bear blind bags. They're series 4. It's Care Bears and Cousins. And this is everybody that we can get on the back. And I am so excited. You know, by now I love clearance. So finding Care Bears blind bags on clearance was awesome. So I picked up everything else they had left, and I'm going to open it all for you. So let's get started. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, look, it's Wish Bear. Cute, cute, cute. One thing I'm sad about is it doesn't look like they have a Funshine Bear in here, which Funshine Bear is my favorite Care Bear. But that's okay, they're all awesome. Next one. It's Love-A-Lot Bear. Cute. Love-A-Lot Bear. I love Love-A-Lot Bear a lot. Cute. We are also looking for Cheer Bear, rare glitter figure. So maybe we'll find the glittery Cheer Bear in there because Cheer Bear is awesome too, and a glittery one would be even better. Bedtime Bear. Awesome. I'll show you up close. And of course the cute little moon and the star. It's Bedtime Bear. I feel sleepy already. Next. We have a cousin. Lots of heart elephants. I love elephants too. Cute. Maybe we can find one of each. Oh, it's Cozy Heart Penguin. Look at the little heart with the hat on. It's so cozy. Come on, glitter, glitter Cheer Bear. Please be in here. Oh, it's Bright Heart Raccoon. Pretty, cute, adorable. Another Bedtime Bear. Cheer Bear, be in there. Come on. Oh, we got another Love-A-Lot Bear. Come on. Look how pretty Cheer Bear is all glittery. I really want one. Secret Bear. Cute. All right. One more. Tender Heart Bear. Cute! Adorable! Where are we gonna put Tenderheart? Let's move all these guys back because I have a surprise. I have more! Yay! So we can collect 13 of these. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have 5 more. So maybe we'll get them all. No, we're not going to get them all, but we did get a super cute Cozy Heart Penguin again. I'm waiting on that Cheer Bear. Oh, we have Secret Bear again. Think positive. It's going to be Cheer Bear. It's Braveheart Lion. awesome. Okay. We've only got 2 more chances for the glittery Cheer Bear. Ah! We got another level up bear. It's a good thing I love her a lot. Oh, we got Sweet Dreams Bear. How pretty and purple. Cute, cute, cute. We've got Bedtime Bear and Sweet Dreams Bear. Look how adorable all these Care Bears are. They are awesome. I love them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. I will see you in the next video.